So here I have my new 2018 Toyota 4Runner. Actually, I'm just kidding. This is the vehicle they let me borrow while my Maserati is at the dealership. So it's pretty nice. 2018 Toyota 4Runner, the premium edition. Heated and cooled seats, leather interior. So I'm fixing to go pick up my Maserati and return this one. So it's pretty nice that they gave me this for the time being while my car is getting looked at. All right, I got my car back. They left it right here by the door. And if you remember on my previous video, I took it in because the car has this noise when the vehicle's completely warm. I'll play a clip. And then here's how the vehicle sounds when it's completely cold. So they check the data on the computers, on the modules. They test drove it, got it up to operating temperature, listened to it with a stethoscope. And they compared it with another 2014 model just like mine. And they got in touch with the Maserati engineers over there in Italy, and they say that's a normal noise for this type of car. But it does sound very strange when you listen to it, but if they say it's normal, I'm not gonna worry about it. So in the meantime, I'm gonna check out the cars here. Plus it's gonna stop raining here in a little bit, so I'll just check out some of these cars here. But yeah, being how the car is under warranty, I wanted to have it looked at so that I could have peace of mind. Because I do intend to keep that car for a while. If the next replacement of the Granturismo appeals to me, the Alfieri, then I might consider trading it in, but for now I plan to keep it. Yeah, they say the Granturismo it's a very reliable car, and the car's never had any recalls, as opposed to the Ghiblis and Levantes. They've had recalls. To be honest, I was actually expecting to pay for them to look at it, because when there's no issue, then on a lot of cases warranty will not pay. But it was still covered under warranty even though there was no issue with the car. And I even got a loaner vehicle, so that was also free. And this particular dealership even washed my car. That's an extra complimentary thing that they do. They wash all your vehicles anytime you take it in for anything. So that was definitely pretty nice. It's something that I was not expecting. They also had it right there by the door when I went and picked it up. It was raining, and it was pretty cool that they did that. It's just a nice gesture. So they try to go beyond. But it was a nice experience. While I was there, I was checking out all the different cars. Got to look around at the Ferraris, got to sit in the brand new 2018 Granturismo. I definitely like what they've done with the interior. The touchscreen is something that should have been done years ago. I wish they would have done that on the 2013 refresh. That way mine would have had it. Just a nice layout that they've done to the car. As far as the exterior, the major difference is the front bumper. To be honest, I liked my design, the one that's on my car. I think that looked great, but I guess it's just something that I'll just get used to it and end up liking it. But I still like the way my front bumper looks versus the new 2018. But everything else, I think it's great. Unfortunately, maybe this might be the last year of the Granturismo, so who knows if they'll keep it in production. I've read some rumors that for 2019 it doesn't meet emissions in Europe, but I think I'll end up keeping my car for a while. So anyways, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos.